Hi guys, so today I am back morphed into turtle face, and today I am finally getting up to Banff, and I'm actually staying there this time instead of stopping over on the bus. So Banff was a huge place that I said I am not leaving Canada until I see it. I really hope it's worth the big hype up to it. The pictures from Instagram look absolutely beautiful, and I don't know how I'm going to fare out because I don't have a car, and a lot of people said it's a place you need a car. I'm just going with it, and I'm going to be on a tight budget for Banff as well because it's coming to the end of my trip and money is scarce, but at the same time I'm going to make the most of it. Made it to Banff and it's snowing and it just looks so pretty. So my room actually isn't just quite ready yet anyway, so it gives me a chance to have a quick look around at the town, and it's pretty nice. I decided to take a quick little detour down. There's this nice trail along the Bow River. If you remember from my Calgary video, that this is the exact same river as the Bow River. And basically I seen a sign that there actually is a waterfall near here, and I'm gonna go check that out. Peaceful, absolutely love it. And I feel like with the forest and the snow and everything, I actually feel like I'm in Narnia and just waiting for Mr. Thomas to pop his head around. Like, it's just such a magical area. It's so pretty. I'm that determined to see the falls that I'm actually trying to climb up all these stairs, and they're completely frozen in ice. I tell you, these are going to be heaps of fun to try and get back down. I made it. They were kidding when they said it's not winter maintained. The thing is completely covered in ice. It's so next to impossible to stand on. There's another set of stairs, except they go down. I'm not sure if we're going to get to the falls end today. I'm turning back around. I did see a glimpse of the falls, but I can't get down to the bottom part because it's another set of steps, but they're much steeper than all the other ones and they're still covered in ice. So I said no, I'm not chancing it. It's definitely a difficult trail. I'm just getting up this little hill here. It's definitely a difficult trail in the winter because purely for the ice. In the summer, easy peasy, not a bother, but because of all the ice, it's fairly difficult. But I say if you have the likes of cleats or crampons, it'll be no problem either. Alright, I made it back. That was so tough, and I didn't even get to see the full of the falls, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with not breaking my leg today. So now I'm gonna head back to the hostel. Hopefully my room should be ready, and they're doing a free pasta night tonight, so really looking forward to that. I also want to point out it's about -2 outside. It's lashing snow and we're going swimming. Are we mad? Absolutely. So I just came out into the hallway and look at these gorgeous paintings in my hostel. They are so pretty. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. And tomorrow then I'm hoping to head down to Lake Louise, so I'm really excited about that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more upcoming videos, and you can also follow my adventures on social media. The links are down below in the description. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye.